Hey, what's up guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video of our limited solutions. And this video I'm going to show you all how you can move your taskbar to different location, whether to the right, to the left, to the bottom or wherever. So to move the taskbar, all you have to do is you just need to go to the notification center. So now you can see over here this option of all settings, or what you can do is go to the start menu option, or now you can see this notification settings option over here. So when you click on all settings, you would be getting all these options, so you don't need to bother all of these options. Just go to personalization over here, and now on your left you can see there's an option of taskbar. So when you click on taskbar, you can see over here there's an option that is taskbar location on screen. So when you click on it, you will be getting these options that bottom, right, left or top. So wherever you want to put your taskbar, you just need to choose it, whether it should be top or left or bottom or right. So this is how you can move your taskbar, guys. For me it should be, it's bottom would be the best place, so I'll just keep it in bottom. But for you, wherever it suits you, you can put it there, no issues. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, so don't forget like and subscribe. Until then, it's sort of where stay happy, love to learn new life regarding technical difficulties. Bye.